I'm about to show you a new bike. Oh, get off. BMW F650.
BMW F650, wow. So what plans do you have for this?
Crash bars. Probably going to put some wraparound hand guards on. Some new handlebars.
Yes.
Take the heated grips off. Maybe some sort of luggage system. And maybe change the exhaust out, but I think I'm probably just going to leave that. And I've got some fork socks for it as well. 650cc, single cylinder.
Would you
Big
like
boy.
to demonstrate?
Great adventure bike choice, I think, because such a lightweight bike compared to the bigger bikes like the Transalp.
Yeah, the
things like
Transalp.
that. Thank you for watching. Vroom vroom. Vroom.